You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the city and how they say it locally on the island in Cuba. Yes, it's not Cuba. Cuba is the English pronunciation. So the Havanese pronunciation is as Havana. Havana. If you want to learn how it's pronounced in Spanish from Spain and how it's said in English, I've got a video for you. Stay tuned. It's this next video. But in Cuba, it's pronounced as Havana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.